Hi, welcome back to A Rooted Life. This is Helena, and today we're finishing off our holiday series with a Tofurky. Now, I'm not a big proponent of processed vegan food. However, this was my first Thanksgiving, and being raised as a meat eater, I wanted a little bit of that nostalgia feeling. Let's jump in. Chop onions, garlic, and carrots and add them to a pot with herbs of your choice. This is sage, oregano, as well as rosemary. Now let's make the base. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground sage, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix them all up really well. Place your Tofurky in the center of the pan and then cover it with the baste. You can also add a cup to a cup and a half of stock. I found the stock, Chickenless plant-based stock from PC, and it tastes great. Also use that stock to clean up anything in that basting bowl. You want all the flavors on the Tofurky. Now cover and put in your preheated oven at 350 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes. Then uncover for 15 minutes, but make sure you're basting at least every half an hour. This recipe is really this easy. That's it. I've posted a recipe for the gravy that I made using the drippings of this Tofurky base in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and a subscribe, leave a comment. All of that really helps. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Have a wonderful day and a happy holidays.